First, welcome back to the channel and thank you for joining me for another hands-on and easy-to-follow tutorial to make your online journey easier. Today, I will show you how to create a complete business or personal website from the very beginning without any complicated steps or technical barriers. What you will learn in this video is amazingly simple and applicable for creating a new website, no matter what your business or niche is about. Many newbies often tell me they feel stuck at this stage because they are unsure about hosting platforms or how to publish their first post. This uncertainty often makes people think the process is hard. In reality, it is incredibly simple with clear guidance. Although it is normal to feel unsure at first, this video will help you overcome that hesitation and show you everything you need. By the end of this video, you will see that creating a website is not only possible, but surprisingly enjoyable and amazingly simple. First, you need reliable hosting for any website, and I will introduce you to this affordable service I recommend for beginners and long-term creators. Hostinger's 48-month business hosting plan is one of the best deals available right now because it offers fast performance, strong features, and offers you a rare phenomenal discount for 4 full years. Plus, you can have 50 different websites hosted on this plan. Many people worry about rising hosting costs, so securing a long-term plan at such a low rate will give you peace of mind. Renewal fees are high for many. Imagine the money you will find yourself saving in the long run when you go for the 4-year hosting plan. Hostinger also offers you a free domain name, a free professional business email with your domain name, and high-speed servers that will support growing websites. Follow the link in the description for a further discount, skilleto.com/Hostinger. Also, the business hosting plan provides you more resources than basic packages, ensuring your website runs smoothly even as you upload more content. You will also get access to some of Hostinger's innovative and high-voltage AI tools that are not available for the lesser plans. This makes it ideal for anyone who is serious about building a successful website. After you click the link skilleto.com/Hostinger in the description, you will go straight to the Hostinger page for the 48-month business hosting plan. That is 4 full years and some extra free months without paying hosting. You will notice that the price is much lower than for shorter subscription periods, which end up costing more over time. The website layout is user-friendly, making it easy to see what features are included. Many hosting services complicate their pricing, so Hostinger's clear structure is refreshing for new users. I have been using Hostinger since 2019, and I can tell you that they are now the current best web hosting service. Next, you will select the business hosting plan for 48 months, 24 months, or 12 months. But I highly recommend the 48 months plan since it is good as gold for most users. If you have a tight budget, choose whatever duration you want for hosting and move on to the checkout page where you set up your account. This is where the real process of creating your website begins. You will be asked to enter your email address, which is important because Hostinger sends all the essential login details there. Make sure your email is written correctly to avoid delays or access problems later. After that, confirm the 48-month business hosting plan and see the total cost clearly displayed on your screen. While Hostinger may offer extra add-ons, the business hosting plan already includes everything needed for a powerful, secure, and reliable website. Plus, you will be able to host 50 different domains on this plan if you like. Therefore, in the meantime, you do not need to buy any unnecessary add-ons unless you truly want them, like hosting or reach, which is meant to build your email marketing list. The checkout process is straightforward and beginner-friendly from the start. After confirming your purchase, check your email. Hostinger will automatically direct you to their dashboard, known as hPanel. Unlike traditional control panels or cPanels, hPanel or Hostinger panel is nicely designed with simple icons that make navigation easy. It is organized logically so that you can quickly find key tools like business email website management, WordPress installation, domain settings, and many more. You will see a welcome message guiding you through your next steps. At this point, you might feel excited because you are now in control of your own hosting space. Hostinger's interface takes away the complexity that often intimidates first-time users. To install WordPress, Hostinger will show you a list of platforms, and WordPress will be at the top because it is the most popular website builder, just like Horizons and the website builder. Select WordPress. The installation window will ask you to enter a username, a password, all of which you should write down somewhere safe. While Hostinger will store this information for you, keeping a personal record is a wise step to avoid future access issues. Once you fill in all the fields, click Next, and Hostinger's advanced system will handle the rest. Before you know it, you will reach the step where you need to connect your domain name to your hosting plan. If you picked your free domain during checkout, Hostinger will configure it for you, saving time and removing any technical confusion. If you had not yet chosen a domain name, this will be your opportunity to claim your domain name. Hostinger also provides clear instructions and automated systems to ensure everything connects correctly. As a result, you won't have to adjust any complex settings or manually point name servers. This is why I highly recommend Hostinger for both beginners and advanced users who want to save money and time in the long run. It removes common technical barriers. Server data center location. Select a server that is closest to where your ideal audience lives. However, it's also important to know that your website will be accessible to anyone in the world. Once you select the data center and the domain connects, you are ready to install WordPress. The WordPress installation usually takes less than a minute, showing how efficient the Hostinger platform is. Check your email and make confirmations for your domain and other emails that you have received from Hostinger. After the installation is complete, Hostinger will get you directly to your WordPress dashboard where your site building starts. The WordPress dashboard is the back end of your website where you make your beautiful website. At this moment, you may feel a blend of excitement and curiosity as you see your interface for the first time. WordPress provides a clean menu on the left side with options for posts, pages, themes, plugins, and settings. Everything is visual and easy to understand, making the platform amazingly simple to navigate even for complete beginners. You will soon begin exploring different options, starting with your theme. To choose a theme, go to the Appearance section and click Themes. You will see several pre-installed options provided by WordPress. Though simple, they are perfect for beginners who want a clean and professional layout. You can also explore thousands of additional themes by clicking Add New, which opens a vast library of free templates. I recommend that you install Solace, which is a phenomenal alternative to Astra and Ocean WP themes, which are some of the most popular clean themes for both beginners and pros. The good thing about Solace is that it has many starter templates that you can add to your website, making it look like it was created by a professional web designer. Install the starter templates from Solace that appear immediately after you install the theme. Visit the Solace Starter Templates platform. As you can see, there are many templates to choose from. Therefore, select the one you like. Choose a template that is in line with your business. This way, you can customize your website according to your style, business needs, or creative vision. Do not worry about the colors of the templates, since you can change them later to your ideal colors at the Theme Customization section later. The Preview option lets you see different templates before activating them on your website. Once you activate, your website will instantly change. Open the link to your website on any browser and see how it now looks. As you can see, the template that you chose changed everything. You can easily replace any text and images by editing each of the pages. I will teach you briefly how to customize all this to fit your brand. Solace theme customization. You can easily customize your website's appearance and adding your ideal colors by going to your WordPress dashboard and then select Customize. As you can see, this is where you can customize your website header, footer, fonts, and even website colors. The good thing with colors is that you can instruct ChatGPT or any other AI to give you different color codes for your website after telling it your goals. You can even add your website's logo if you had not yet done so. There are many more things you can do, which is covered in the free WordPress training course for beginners. Pages. You can easily edit the pages from your theme by going to your WordPress dashboard and then go to Pages. You will see all the pages that were added to your website, and you easily edit the template by going to the page you want to edit and then select Edit with Elementor. You can click and edit any element you want, just like when using PowerPoint or Canva. You can now put your own text to replace any of these starter templates' text. If there are any elements you do not like, you can delete them by selecting the X. You can also add any new elements by clicking the plus sign. As you can see, it is really easy. Always remember to publish as soon as your website looks as you truly want it to be. You can also add as many pages as you like on your website, like the privacy policy, terms and conditions, and many more. Likewise, you can begin creating your first post, which is one of the most rewarding parts of building a website. To do this, go to the Posts section on the WordPress dashboard, click Add, and a writing editor will appear for you to start typing. The block-based editor allows you to easily insert headings, images, text, lists, and various elements. WordPress automatically saves drafts, ensuring your work stays secure, even if you accidentally refresh the page. Once you are satisfied with your writing, click Publish, and your post will go live on your website. As a result, your first piece of content will be visible to the public. After you publish your post, visit your website's homepage to see how everything looks in real time. You can also click the title of your post to open it and check that all formatting is correct. Websites often look a bit different from the editor, so this step helps confirm that everything displays as intended. If you notice something you want to change, return to the editor and make adjustments right away. Eventually, you will feel more at ease with the editing tools and start refining your posts effortlessly. This process marks the true beginning of your website building journey. At this moment, you have just created your new website. As you explore WordPress further, you will see categories, tags, and settings that help you organize your content more effectively. These tools make your website easier for visitors to navigate, especially once you start publishing more regularly. Structured content improves user experience, so it's worth understanding these features early on. After watching the free WordPress A to Z course for beginners, eventually, you will learn how to group similar posts together and create a logical flow on your site. This will also make your website look more professional and user-friendly. At that point, you will find yourself having a solid foundation for creating larger amounts of content. That's it. You now have a new website. It's now affordable and easy to create a new one nowadays. Remember to subscribe for more helpful content and check out the helpful links in the description section. Thank you.